Welcome to the Sales and Customer Success series. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of sales, including its definition, purpose, and the significant impact it has on business growth. Let's begin our journey into understanding what sales really means and why it matters so much in today's business world. Sales is the process of guiding customers from awareness to purchase by identifying their needs and providing solutions that create mutual value. In simpler terms, sales is about understanding what problems your customers have and offering them products or services that solve those problems. It's a two-way relationship where both the customer and the business benefit. The core purpose of sales revolves around four key pillars. First, identify needs by understanding the pain points and challenges your customers face. Second, provide solutions that match your offerings to customer requirements. Third, build relationships by creating trust and establishing long-term partnerships. Fourth, drive growth by generating revenue and enabling business expansion. Together, these pillars form the foundation of effective sales. The sales cycle consists of 6 essential stages. It begins with prospecting, where you identify potential customers. Next is engaging, where you initiate contact and build interest. Then comes qualifying, where you determine if the prospect is a good fit. After that, you present your solution to address their needs. The 5th stage is closing, where you finalize the deal and secure the agreement. Finally, follow-up ensures customer satisfaction and opens doors for future business and referrals. Sales has a profound impact on every aspect of a business. It generates revenue, which is the primary source of company income and profitability. Sales drives growth by enabling market expansion and business scaling. It informs strategy by shaping product development and market direction. Sales creates customer satisfaction, building loyalty and positive experiences. It strengthens market position, providing competitive advantage and enhancing brand presence. Finally, sales sustains employment and contributes to organizational health and stability. Successful salespeople need a combination of skills. Soft skills include communication, active listening, and negotiation abilities. Hard skills involve proficiency with CRM systems, product knowledge, and data analysis. Core attributes include resilience to handle rejection, empathy to understand customers, and being goal-oriented to achieve targets. Business sense encompasses market awareness, understanding ROI, and strategic thinking. These skills work together to create effective sales professionals. Good sales professionals listen carefully to customer needs, build genuine relationships based on trust, provide honest solutions that truly help, and follow up consistently to ensure satisfaction. Poor sales practices, on the other hand, rely on pressure and push tactics, ignore customer concerns, oversell or mislead about products, and neglect relationship building. The difference is clear. Good sales creates value for both parties, while poor sales only focuses on making the transaction. Remember 4 critical takeaways. First, sales is fundamentally about solving customer problems, not just pushing products. Second, sales drives business growth and ensures long-term sustainability. Third, success in sales requires a combination of skills, strategic thinking, and maintaining integrity. Fourth, every industry, regardless of size, needs strong sales professionals to thrive. Most importantly, sales is not just about closing deals. It's about creating lasting value for customers and building businesses that matter.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.